The use of mindfulness-based therapies in psychology. Mindfulness-based therapies are a group of psychological interventions that draw on the principles of mindfulness, a mental state achieved by focusing one's awareness on the present moment without judgment. These therapies have been developed to help individuals cope with a range of mental health problems, including anxiety, depression, and stress. In this video, we will discuss 9 ways in which mindfulness-based therapies are used in psychology. Number 1. To reduce stress and anxiety. Mindfulness-based stress reduction (MBSR) is a widely used mindfulness-based therapy that has been shown to be effective in reducing stress and anxiety. MBSR involves a range of mindfulness practices, including meditation, yoga, and body scan exercises, which help individuals become more aware of their thoughts and feelings in the present moment. By learning to recognize and manage their stressors, individuals can better cope with stress and reduce feelings of anxiety. Number 2. To treat depression. Mindfulness-based cognitive therapy (MBCT) is a form of therapy that combines elements of cognitive behavioral therapy (CBT) with mindfulness practices. MBCT has been shown to be effective in reducing the risk of relapse in individuals with a history of depression. It helps individuals identify and challenge negative thought patterns and behaviors that contribute to their depression, and develop coping skills to better manage their mood. Number 3. To improve mood and well-being. Research has shown that mindfulness practices can improve mood and well-being in healthy individuals as well as those with mental health problems. Mindfulness-based therapies can help individuals become more aware of their thoughts and emotions, leading to a greater sense of control over their mood and well-being. Number 4. To reduce chronic pain. Mindfulness-based pain management (MBPM) is a form of therapy that combines mindfulness practices with techniques from CBT to help individuals cope with chronic pain. MBPM has been shown to be effective in reducing pain intensity and improving quality of life in individuals with chronic pain conditions such as fibromyalgia and back pain. Number 5. To improve sleep. Mindfulness-based therapies can help individuals develop healthy sleep habits by teaching them to pay attention to their thoughts and emotions, and to let go of racing thoughts that may be keeping them awake at night. Mindfulness practices, such as meditation and yoga, have also been shown to improve sleep quality in individuals with insomnia. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel and watch myhawktime content. If you want more content, link in the description. Number 6. To treat substance abuse. Mindfulness-based relapse prevention (MBRP) is a form of therapy that combines mindfulness practices with elements of CBT and motivational interviewing to help individuals recover from substance abuse. MBRP has been shown to be effective in reducing the risk of relapse and improving recovery outcomes in individuals with substance abuse disorders. Number 7. To improve relationships. Mindfulness practices can help individuals become more aware of their thoughts and emotions, which can improve communication and strengthen relationships. Mindfulness-based relationship enhancement (MBRE) is a form of therapy that uses mindfulness practices to help couples improve their communication and resolve conflicts in a more positive way. Number 8. To improve parenting skills. Mindfulness practices can help parents become more aware of their thoughts and emotions, leading to a greater sense of control over their behavior and a more positive parent-child relationship. Mindfulness-based parent training (MBPT) is a form of therapy that teaches parents mindfulness practices to improve their parenting skills. Number 9. To improve attention and focus. Mindfulness practices can improve attention and focus by training individuals to become more aware of their thoughts and emotions in the present moment. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals with attention deficit hyperactivity disorder (ADHD) who may struggle with maintaining focus. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel and watch myhawktime content. If you want more content, link in the description.